Welcome to Crafting Cash, rapid wood creations for resale. In this series, we'll explore the exciting world of woodworking with a focus on creating quick and profitable items for resale. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, you'll discover how to transform your creative ideas into market-ready products. We'll cover essential techniques, efficient production methods, and smart marketing strategies to help you turn your passion for woodworking into a thriving business. Join us as we dive into the art of crafting cash through rapid wood creations, from understanding materials to optimizing your workspace. Each episode will equip you with the tools and knowledge needed to maximize your productivity. Get ready to unleash your creativity and learn how to capture the interest of potential buyers, all while enjoying the rewarding process of woodworking. Let's get started. Venturing into woodworking with a focus on crafting quick and sellable items can be a rewarding pathway for both seasoned artisans and budding entrepreneurs. The ability to transform raw materials into desirable products not only satisfies creative urges but also opens doors to potential income streams. By honing in on rapid wood creations, woodworkers can efficiently produce items that appeal to the market while minimizing waste and maximizing profit. Understanding the dynamics of demand is crucial for anyone looking to enter the woodworking business. Researching market trends helps artisans identify what types of products are currently popular, allowing them to tailor their creations accordingly. This awareness enables woodworkers to align their skills with consumer preferences, ensuring that their efforts lead to successful sales. Keeping an eye on emerging trends can provide valuable insights into consumer behavior, guiding artisans in their project selection. Efficiency is key in a woodworking business focused on rapid production. Streamlining processes can significantly boost output without sacrificing quality. This may involve organizing tools and materials for easy access, developing a systematic workflow, or utilizing time-saving techniques. By optimizing the crafting process, woodworkers can create a steady flow of products, making it easier to meet market demands and fulfill orders promptly. Safety should always be a top priority in any woodworking venture. Beginners and experienced woodworkers alike must adhere to safety protocols to prevent accidents while working with tools. This includes wearing appropriate protective gear and ensuring that the workspace is free of hazards. By fostering a culture of safety, artisans can focus on their craft without unnecessary risks, creating a more productive and enjoyable work environment. Establishing a dedicated workspace is essential for any woodworker aiming to produce items for resale. A well-organized area can enhance focus and efficiency, allowing artisans to immerse themselves in their craft. Adequate lighting, ventilation, and storage solutions contribute to a functional workspace that promotes creativity. A dedicated environment encourages regular practice, helping woodworkers refine their skills and increase their production capabilities. Investing in quality tools is another critical aspect of successful woodworking. While beginners may start with a limited selection, acquiring reliable equipment can make a significant difference in the crafting process. Understanding the functions and maintenance of various tools allows artisans to work more effectively and achieve better results. Quality tools not only enhance craftsmanship but also speed up production, making it easier to create items for resale. Once a workspace is established and the right tools are acquired, woodworkers can begin exploring simple yet effective project ideas. Focusing on rapid creations allows beginners to practice essential techniques while producing items that are market-ready. Each completed project builds confidence and reinforces skills, paving the way for more complex endeavors in the future. This incremental approach encourages continuous improvement and keeps artisans motivated. Hands-on experience is invaluable in woodworking, and embracing the learning curve is essential for growth. Beginners should view mistakes as opportunities for learning rather than setbacks. Each error can teach valuable lessons about technique and design, helping woodworkers refine their skills. Developing resilience and a willingness to learn from challenges is crucial for long-term success in the craft. As woodworkers gain experience, they may discover their unique styles and preferences. Personalizing creations allows artisans to express their creativity and individuality, making their products more appealing to potential customers. Experimenting with different techniques and finishes can lead to a distinctive aesthetic that captures attention in the marketplace. This exploration of personal style can be a valuable asset for those considering turning their hobby into a business. Understanding the target market is vital for aspiring woodworking entrepreneurs. Researching consumer preferences and identifying gaps in the market can guide artisans in crafting items that resonate with buyers. Engaging with potential customers through surveys or social media can provide insights into what they are looking for, enabling woodworkers to tailor their offerings accordingly. This strategic approach increases the likelihood of successful sales and fosters customer loyalty. Effective marketing strategies are essential for reaching potential customers and generating sales. Establishing a strong online presence through social media platforms and e-commerce sites allows woodworkers to showcase their creations to a broader audience. High-quality images and engaging narratives about the crafting process can captivate potential buyers, creating an emotional connection that encourages purchases. Building a recognizable brand identity is crucial for standing out in a competitive marketplace. Networking within the woodworking community can provide invaluable support and collaboration opportunities. Connecting with fellow artisans, participating in local craft fairs, and engaging in woodworking groups can lead to valuable insights and exposure. Relationships with other woodworkers foster a sense of belonging and encourage continuous learning. These connections can also lead to mentorship opportunities, helping beginners navigate the woodworking landscape more effectively. As skills and confidence grow, woodworkers may consider expanding their product offerings. Diversifying creations can attract a broader customer base and increase sales potential. Incorporating seasonal or themed projects can generate excitement and urgency among buyers, prompting them to make purchases. This adaptability is key to maintaining a successful woodworking business, as consumer preferences can evolve over time. Time management is essential for balancing the demands of crafting and other responsibilities. Woodworkers should set aside dedicated time for production, allowing them to focus on their craft without distractions. Creating a structured schedule enhances productivity, ensuring consistent progress on projects. This discipline fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages continued engagement with woodworking, ultimately leading to better results. As a woodworking business grows, investing in quality materials and tools may become necessary. Higher quality wood and improved equipment can elevate the overall craftsmanship of creations, resulting in better products. While initial costs may be a consideration, these investments can pay off in the long run, as quality items are more likely to attract buyers and command higher prices in the market. Continuous skill development is vital for success in woodworking. Beginners should actively seek opportunities for learning, whether through online tutorials, workshops, or local woodworking groups. Expanding knowledge of techniques and trends can inspire fresh ideas and innovative approaches to crafting. This ongoing education not only enhances skills but also keeps woodworkers engaged and passionate about their craft. Thank you for watching Crafting Cash, Rapid Wood Creations for Resale. We hope you found inspiration and practical tips to kickstart your woodworking journey and turn your creative ideas into profitable products. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. And subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable insights and techniques that can elevate your crafting game. We can't wait to see you in our next video, where we'll explore even more ways to maximize your woodworking potential and boost your business.